Hey, what's up everyone, this is Sarktwix back with another video, and in this video I will show you guys how to recover your deleted photos, videos and WhatsApp deleted messages in your iPhone with the help of a software called iMyFone debug. This software helps you to recover images, videos or any data from your iPhone. You can also recover data from your iCloud storage also. This software also helps your device to recover, like if your device is stuck on an Apple logo or you get any other software related issue in your iPhone. This software will fix that problem too. So this software comes in full version, that is a paid, and also you get this software for free, but that's trial. As you know, in trial software you will get only limited features, but in paid version you will get all the pros features that I'm going to give you guys at the end of this video. So I'm going to give 3 licenses of this software for free to you guys. So watch the video till the end, and at the end of the video I will let you know how you guys can enter this giveaway contest. So now let me guys show you how to use this software. So first, download the software from the website. The link of the software will be mentioned in the description. Once you have downloaded the software, then install it. After installing, you will get this interface of this software. You will get these 5 options that says Smart Recovery, Recovery from iOS device, Recovery from iTunes backup, Recover from iCloud, and the last one it says Fix iOS system. Smart recovery is pretty simple to use. You can recover your lost data, iOS upgrade, iPhone unlock or device stuck at Apple logo. So here you have to connect your iPhone device with a lightning cable to your laptop or PC. So once it's connected, you will get something like this. Now I will show you how I will recover my device data. Once your device is connected, then click on next. Then you will get this screen where it shows all the data recover option, that is what you want to recover, that is messages, photos, videos, etc. So whatever data you have to recover, select that option. Here I am only selecting my photos to recover, then click on scan. After that it will take some time to scan your iPhone. It will scan all the photos and after that it will show you all the photos. So once the scan process has completed, so as you can see here it shows all the photos that I have. Then go over here and select show only deleted files. As you select that, you will get all the deleted photos that you guys want to recover, and you will get the same quality of photos as it was before. Then click on recover and you will get all the photos that you have deleted earlier. So now let's move to the new features of this software, that is you can recover data from your iCloud also. Now I will show you how to recover data from your iCloud. Now select that option and log in your iCloud account, and after that follow these simple steps. That's pretty simple. Just do as I show in the video. This software guides you whatever you need. It's too much easier. Once you have completed all the steps, you will get all these options from which you want to recover data. After selecting the data you want to recover, it will scan, and after that it will analyze the data. It will take some time. After that you will get all the photos, videos, whatever you want to recover. You can download the data and you can directly save it to your PC. After selecting the location where you want to save the data and click on recover, after that it will save all the data in your PC. Now as you can see, all the data that I have saved to the drive, like this you can recover any data from your iCloud. You can also fix any iOS related issue. As you can see in Fix iOS system, you will get these three options, that is standard mode, recovery mode and advanced mode. And if you face any problem, then you can also get solution by watching the video on YouTube. This software has their own YouTube channel where you will get all the videos related to this software. Now guys, I will tell you how to participate in giveaway. So the conditions to enter giveaway are pretty easy. That is, you guys have to subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. And after that, post an Instagram story by saying it's done or completed, whatever you like. That's all. Just follow these two simple steps. Links of the Instagram and YouTube will be mentioned in the description. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.